Hello everyone, welcome to my channel CISE Topper Classes. Today we are going to discuss chapter 3 of class 10 M.L.aggarwal Mathematics exercise 3 question number 1 to 13. So let us start solving this exercise here in this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Here we are going to solve chapter 3 shares and dividends. So firstly we will learn about what is share, what is shareholder and dividend. So here in a company when we form, there we invest some money from everybody. So everybody invests their part and each part is called a share. Means when we make a company, there are some shareholders who invested their money in terms of some profit to the company. The person who have the share is called shareholder. And if we say what is nominal value, nominal value is the original and fixed value of the share of the company, and it doesn't change with time to time, also called face or printed value. And market value, if we see, this value of the share is in the market price, means what is the price of that share in market at particular time, because every time market value changes there, and its value also changes with time, it can increase or decrease. And if we can say nominal value or of the share is equal to the market value of the share, then we call it as at par. And if we say nominal value is greater than the market value, means market value is less, then it is below par or discounted. Now if nominal value is greater than market value, this is above par or premium. Now what is dividend? If we see, dividend is the profit that the one shareholder or share get in 1 year. So the profit which the shareholder get is called dividend. Dividend is always expressed as a percentage of the nominal value. It depends upon nominal value because nominal value doesn't change, and the dividend does not depend on the market value of the share. So this is not dependent on the market value, only nominal value. So this point is very important. Only nominal value matters in dividend here. Now if we see the formula which we are going to use frequently in this exercise, if you want to find the sum invested, means let's say that you have bought 200 rupees chips or toffee or whatever you have bought, so that is 200. And if it one means the thing which you buy is rupees of 5, then if we divide by the 5 rupees or that rupee, we will get the number of things you have bought. So if we say the sum invested, number of shares bought will be into market value of one share, we will multiply, then we will get a whole sum of how much you bought or how much you invested in that share. So that is called sum invested. Now number of shares bought, that is again we have, this is the second formula. We can find the number of shares bought from this formula also, but this is second. Total dividend from that the shares, all shares, and dividend of one share, we will get the number of share bought. Now like this only, this is same only, total income profit on one share. So this is like that. Now this formula is very important because it will be going to use frequently. Total dividend earned will be number of shares and rate of dividend into nominal value of a share. So because dividend is dependent on nominal value, hence we have taken nominal value here. Return percent is the comparison of the dividend or profit divided by the investment. So this is the comparison here of profit. So this is the income. Income is like dividend only. This is equal to, and now divided by investment into 100, we will get the return percent here. So this is what we have for a shareholder. Income is equal to return equal to profit equal to dividend paid by the company. So this income, return, profit is same here for a shareholder. So these are the formulas. Learn them by heart so that it will be helpful for you. Let us solve here exercise 3 question number 1. Find the dividend received on 60 shares of rupees 20 each. This is the nominal value given to us of the share of one share. If 9% is the dividend rate is declared. So if we see here, we know the dividend formula. We have to find the dividend only. So that is number of shares into nominal value into rate divided by 100. So if we write here, this will be number of shares is 60 given to us into nominal value is 20, rate is 9 by 100. So 0 will be cancelled out from here and this will be 12 into 9. So 108 is the dividend. Rupees 108 is the dividend. So this is the final answer in this question. Now let us solve here question number 2. A company declares 8% dividend to the shareholder. If a man receives 2840 as his dividend, then we have to find the nominal value of his shares. So we know that dividend we find on the nominal value only. So by formula we can write dividend, we write it as the percent of dividend, like some rate into nominal rate by 100 into nominal value, percent rate by dividend upon 100. So if you put all the values, dividend is given to us as 2840, rate only rate is also given as 8%, so this will be 8 by 100 into nominal value. From that we can find the nominal value as 2840 into 100 divided by 8. On cancelling here, so this will be 3 and 44 means 5, 40 then 5, means nominal value is 3500 is the answer here in this question. So this is the answer. Let us solve here question number 3. A man buys 210 rupees shares at rupees 12.50 each, means 10 rupee is the nominal value here and 200 is the number of shares and this is the market value of the share, and receives a dividend of 8%. Then find the amount invested by him and the dividend received by him in cash. If we see here, nominal value is given to us as 10 rupees. Number of shares is also given to us as 200. Market value is given to us as 12.50 rupees each. So if we want to find, firstly we will find the total nominal value. So total nominal value, if you have to find, this will be 200 into 10, means 2000 rupees is the total nominal value. And now in the question it is asked find the amount invested by him. So amount invested by him will be the total market value. So total market value will be 12.50 into 200 number of shares. So this will be rupees 2500 is the total market value, means the amount invested. Amount invested is equal to this part only, is equal to the market value, and this is rupees 2500. Now the second part it is asked that find the dividend received by him in cash. We know dividend, if we have to find, we will find on the nominal value, or by formula also we can find. So formula is number of shares into the nominal value into the rate 8 by 100. 0 will be cancelled out, means 160 is the 160 rupees is the dividend. So this is the answer of the second part and this is the answer of first part, and this is the final solution of question number 3. Now let us solve your question number 4. Find the market price of 5% of rupees 100 shares when a person get a dividend of rupees 65 by investing rupees 1430. So we know the investment, total investment is given to us, and total investment is equal to number of shares into market value. So this is market value, this is number of shares here. So let this be the first equation. And the second thing formula, we know dividend here. Dividend is given. So we know here dividend is equal to number of shares into nominal value here. So this is nominal value into rate by 100. So on putting value, number of shares here, let this dividend be 65. Number of shares, let this be n. Nominal value is 100. Rate is 5 by 100. So this will be cancel out and n will be 65 by 5. So 13, means number of shares is 13. From here we will put the in the first part to find the market price. We have to find the market price only. So this will be 1430 rupees equal to number of shares 13 into market value. So we will divide this part. 1430 divided by 13 is equal to market value. This will be 110 rupees. 110 is equal to market value from here, and this is the final answer in this question. And this is the solution of question number 4. Now let us solve your question number 5. Salman buys 50 shares of face value rupees 100 available at rupees 132. What is his investment? If we want to find what is his investment, we can see here Investment will be total sum invested. We know the formula here will be number of shares into the market value. Number of shares is 50 given to us. Market value is 132. On multiplying this, we will get rupees 6600 as the answer of the first part, because sum invested is equal to number of shares into market value. The second thing here is, if the dividend is 7.5% per annum, what will be his annual income? So total dividend we have to find here. So dividend will be number of shares into nominal value into rate of dividend divided by 100. We will put all the values. N is 50 here. Nominal value is 100 given to us. Rate is 7.5 divided by 100. This will be cancelled out. On multiplying, 50 into 7.5 will be 55 into 75. So this will be 25, 375 rupees. 375 is the value here. Means answer of the second part. Third part, which is asking here, if he wants to increase his annual income by rupees 152, means in this annual income he want to increase rupees 152. So the total income he want to increase or make, so this will be rupees 375 plus 152. On adding here we will get 5, this will be 2, and this will be 5. Rupees 525 is the total income. Now if we want to find the number of shares of this income, this will be total dividend here divided by dividend on one share. So this will be dividend on one share. We know dividend here is X, means the percent of value 7.5 on the nominal value. So this will be 100, means this will be cancelled out. Dividend on one share we will get 7.5. So we will put dividend on one share, in place of that we will put 7.5. Total dividend we have find it rupees 525. So this will be 525 divided by 7.5. So this will be 0 here, 25 5, and again 0 50. Then this will be 3 210 70, means the total number of shares in this part will be 70, and it will be how much extra from the previous shares. So previous we have 50 shares, so we will just subtract here to find the extra shares. So this will be 70 minus 50 equal to 20 shares are extra in this question. So this is the final answer of question number 3. Now let us solve here question number 6. A lady holds 1800 of rupees 100 shares of a company that pays 15% dividend annually. Calculate her annual dividend if she had bought these shares at 40% from premium. What percentage return does she get on her investment? So here we have to firstly find the annual dividend. So we know the formula for dividend, that is number of shares into the nominal value into rate by 100. So on putting the number of shares is 1800, nominal value is 100, rate percent is 15 by 100. So this will be cancelled out from here and we will get 1800 into 15, means 27,000 rupees is the total dividend, means total income. Now the lady had bought these shares at 40% premium, means she had bought at 40% premium above the nominal value. So if you want to write here, we can write 40% of 100 plus the, means if we want to find the cost price for the lady, so this will be 40 by 100 of 100 value plus 100. This will be cancel out, means 140 is the cost price for the lady for the shares here, and we have to find what percent return does she get on her investment. So what percent of it she invested will be sum invested. If we have to find, this will be number of shares into the market value. So this is 140 on she buyed. So sum invested will be 1800 into 140 here, means it is rupees 252,000 is the total sum invested by her. And now we have to find the return percentage on that value. So this will be annual income, means 27,000 divided by 252,000 into 100. So 0 0 will be cancelled out here, and on solving this we will get 226 here, then 2350, again 63, then 675. On solving also this part also, this will be 21, this will be 2, then again 2, 225, here 7, 75. So 75 by 7% is the rate of return in this question. This is the final solution and this is the answer here in this question. This is the solution of question number 6. Now let us solve here question number 7. What sum should a person invest in rupees 25 shares selling at rupees 36 to obtain an income of rupees 720 if the dividend declared is 12%? Also find the percentage return on his income. We can see here dividend is given to us. From that we will find the number of shares, and number of shares into the market value will be the total sum invested. From that only we will find the percentage return. So if we write dividend, this is n into number of shares into nominal value into rate by 100. We will put all the values. Dividend is 720 and we have to find nominal value is 25 into rate is 12 by 100. So this will be cancelled out by 4 and this will be cancelled out by 3. So 720 by 3 is equal to the value of n. This will be 240 as the number of shares in this question. Now if you want to find the sum invested here, sum invested will be number of shares into market value. Number of shares is 240 and market value is 36 here. So here the final answer will be rupees 8640. If you want to find the percentage return here, so percentage return will be the total sum so the income. The income here means the dividend. So this will be dividend is given in the question only. This is 720 total sum invested divided by. So this will be 8640 multiplied by 100. So on writing this will be cancel out from here. 0 will be cancel out, and this 0 we are going to cancel out. This will be cancelled out by 5. This will be 432, and again if you want to cancel out this will be 216. This will be here 0. We are not cancelling, hence it is 0 here. So this is 360. On cancelling again 108. This will be 180. This will be 54. This will be 90. Afterwards 27. This will be 45. On cancelling, this will be cancelled out by 3 and this will be cancelled out 5. On multiplying 5 into 5, we will get 25 by 3% as the percentage return in this question. So this is the answer here. This is the sum invested we have to find in this question, and this is the percentage return. So this is the final solution of question number 7 here. Now let us solve your question number 8. Ashok invests rupees 26,400 on 12% rupees 25 shares of a company. If he receives a dividend of rupees 2,475, then find the number of shares he bought. We know the formula for dividend. From that only we can find the number of shares, because dividend is equal to number of shares into nominal value again into rate by 100. Rate is given, nominal value is also given. So dividend is 2475. Number of shares we have to find. Nominal value is 25 given in the question. Rate is 12 by 100. On solving this will be cancelled out by 4. This will be cancelled out by 3. Means 2475 divided by 3 is equal to number of shares. On cancelling, this will be 8. This will be 25. Means 825 is the number of shares in this question. So this is the answer of the first part of 8 question. Second part is asking the marked value of each share. We know marked value of each share will be, firstly here we can write the total number here, means n number of shares into marked value is equal to the sum of invested money. So this is invested money. We will put invested money is given to us 26,400. So this will be 26,400 is equal to number of shares 825 into mature this is marked value. So this will be 2600 400 divided by 825. We will get the marked value here. Market value, sorry, this is market value here. Market value. On cancelling this here, we will get 1 825 divided by, so on cancelling this will be cancelled out by 1 and this will be cancelled out by 32. So 32 is equal to the market value in this question. 32 rupees is the market value. So this is the answer of second part in this question, and this is the final solution of question number 8. Let us solve here question number 9. A man invests rupees 4500 in shares of a company which is paying 7.5% of dividend. Of rupees 100 shares are available at a discount of 10%. Then find the number of shares here. So here investment is given to us and the shares discount is given to us. So from that discount only we will find the market value here, and from that market value we will find the number of shares. So in the first part, shares is given, from that we will find this is the nominal value given to us as rupees 100. From that nominal value we will find the market value as 100 minus 10 by 100 into 100. 10% of 100 we will find, so this will be 100 minus 10 means 90 rupees is the market value here. And we know sum invested is equal to formula, we know this is number of shares into market value. We will put sum invested is given to us as 4500 equal to n, market value is given to us as 90. So this will be 4500 divided by 90 is equal to number of shares, 0 will be cancelled out and this will be 50. Means 50 is equal to number of shares in this question here. The second part here is, this is only we have to find in the first part, so this is the answer here of the first part. The second part says we have to find the is annual income, means dividend we have to find here. Dividend is equal to number of shares we have calculated, nominal value 100, rate is here 7.5 divided by 100. On calculating this, this will be cancelled out and this will be 75 into 5. So 25, 375 rupees is the annual income in this question. So this is the answer of the second part and this is the solution of question number 9 here. Let's solve here question number 10. Amit Kumar invests rupees 36,000 in buying rupees 100 shares at rupees 20 premium. The dividend is 15% per annum. Then find the number of shares he buys. So the dividend is 15% per annum. Here we have to find the number of shares. So we know the first part. The investment is rupees 36,000 in buying 100 shares. So we know 36,000, we can write the total investment and from that only we will write the market value 20 premium, rupees 20 premium, and from that we will find. Means sum invested we know formula, that is number of shares into market value. Market value is given to us as 100 plus 20, so this will be 120. Sum invested we know this is 36,000 divided by 120 as the market value is equal to number of shares. This will be cancelled out, this will be cancelled out by 4, 1200, then 300 is equal to the number of shares in the first part. So this is the answer of first part of question number 10. Second part says that his yearly dividend we have to find. Yearly dividend means annual income only. So dividend formula also we know, that is number of shares into nominal value into rate by 100. So this will be number of shares is 300, nominal value is 100, rate percent is 15% divided by 100. So this will be cancelled out. Here we will get 300 into 15 and 15 into 3 will be 4500 as the dividend annual income. Rupees 4500 is the answer in the second part. Third part is asking the percentage return on his investment. So we know the percentage return, if we have to find return percentage, this will be annual income divided by the investment. Annual income we have calculated here, so this is 4500 divided by the total investment. Total investment is given to us as 36,000. So here we will put that only, 36,000 into 100 is the percentage here. So 0 will be cancelled out, here also 0 will be cancelled out. On cancelling this we will get 36 4 and here 50. On this also we will get 2, this will be 25, means 25 by 2 is the return percentage in this question here. So this is the final answer of this question and this is the solution of question number 10 here. Let us solve here question number 11. Mr. Tiwari invested rupees 29,014 15% of rupees 100 shares at a premium of 20% here. So at a premium of 20%, then we have to calculate the number of shares bought by Mr. Tiwari. So the number of shares, if we have to find, this will be in total sum invested equal to n into number of shares into the value of market value. So this is at the premium of 20%, means market value, if we find, this will be 100 plus 20% of 100. So this will be 100 will be cancelled out, and here we will get market value as 120. Total sum is 29040 equal to n into market value. We will put the market value here. So this will be 29040 divided by 120 as the n here. This will be cancelled out here. Here we will get 6, 1, 4, 52. 1, 4, 52. Then cancel out by 3. Then 72. Then 6. Again 2. Then 42. 242. Means the number of shares is 242 in this question. So this is the answer of the first part which we have to find. The second part is asking Mr. Tiwari's income from the investment. So dividend we have to find. So this will be number of shares, that is 242 into nominal value 100 into rate. Rate is 15 by 100. So this will be cancelled out here, and we will get 242 into 15 as the income here. And on calculating this will be 3630 as the, sorry, 630 here rupees as the annual income in this question. So this is the answer of the second part. Now the third part is asking the percentage return on his investment. We know the percentage return will be total income divided by the amount invested into 100. So return percent, if we have to write, again 3630 divided by total income is 29040. So this will be 29040 into 100. This will be cancelled out. This will be cancelled out by 1, 4, 52, and this will be 5. So here on calculating this will be 18,150 divided by 1452. So somewhat this will be 12.5% as the answer in this question. Means the the return percent in this question is 12.5%. So this is the final solution of question number 11 here, and these are the answers in this question. Let's solve here question number 10. A man buys shares at the par value of rupees 10, yielding 8% dividend at the end of the year. Find the number of shares bought if he receives a dividend of rupees 300. If we see here, we have to find number of shares. So dividend is given to us in this question. This is rupees 300. Rate of percent is also given of the dividend. This is 8. And the face value means the nominal value is given to us as rupees 10. If we want to find the number of shares by formula, putting the values in the formula, we will get number of shares n into nominal value into rate by 100. So this is 300. Number of shares we have to find, nominal value is 10, rate is 8 by 100. This will be cancelled out from here. This will be cancelled out by 4 by 5, means n is equal to 300 into 5 divided by 4. And I'm calculating, this will be 150, this will be 75, and 75 into 5 will be 25. 375 is equal to number of shares in this question. So this is the final answer in this question, and this is the solution of question number 12. Let us solve here question number 13. A man invests rupees 8800 on buying shares of face value of rupees 100 here. So this is the nominal value, each at a premium of 10%. If he earns rupees 1200 as dividend here, then we have to find the number of shares. We know firstly number of shares here we can find by sum invested is equal to number of shares into market value formula. So we will write here sum invested is equal to number of shares into market value. Market value will be nominal value plus means the premium value, 10% of nominal value. Nominal value is given to us as 100, so this will be 100. 10 by 100 into 100. 100 will be cancelled out, means 110 is the market value. We will put all the values here. The sum invested is 8800. So 8800 equal to number of shares we have to find. Market value is 110. So on dividing this part, 0 will be cancelled out, and here we will get 80 as the number of shares in the first part. So this is the answer of first part of question number 13. Second part is asking about the dividend percentage per share. So we know the formula for dividend. So the dividend is equal to number of shares into nominal value into rate by 100. Rate we have to find in this question. So this we have calculated, number of shares is 80, dividend is given as 1200 here in this question. So this will be 1200 equal to 80 into 100 into R by 100. 100 will be cancelled out, and here we will get 1200 by 80 as the rate percent. 0 will be cancelled out, this will be cancelled out by 4, this will be cancelled out by 60, then 30 means 15% is the rate percent per share in this question of dividend. So this is the answer of second part, and this is the final solution of question number 13. If you have any doubt and queries, you can ask us on comment box. Thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.